At a run, unveiled. Master this English phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English phrase that you might have come across, at a run. It's one of those phrases that might not make immediate sense if you translate it word by word, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of it. At a run is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they did something at a run, they usually mean they did it quickly or in haste. It often implies a sense of urgency. For example, she grabbed her bag and left the room at a run. This means she left the room quickly, perhaps because she was in a hurry or something urgent happened. Using at a run correctly can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are some examples to help you understand its usage. 1. The moment he heard the alarm, he was out the door at a run. 2. I need those documents at a run. This means that the documents are urgently needed. 3. With the rain pouring, we got into the house at a run. Here, the phrase implies that they rushed to get inside because of the rain. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar sense of urgency. Let's look at a few and understand their subtle differences. 1. On the run. This phrase typically means someone is fleeing or escaping, often from the law. For example, the criminals were on the run for weeks before they were caught. 2. In a rush. This phrase implies that someone is in a hurry. For example, sorry, I can't chat now, I'm in a rush. While these phrases might sound similar, they have distinct uses. It's important to choose the one that best fits the context. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrase, at a run. Remember, language is filled with colorful expressions and idioms that might not always be literal. But with practice and understanding, you'll master them in no time. Hope you found this video enlightening. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!